Madison County State's Attorney Ava Vakos was back in court today discussing the next steps in her DUI case.
Vakos was charged with a DUI in January after police say she drove drunk to a crime scene. Now the prosecutor is agreeing to stay off the roads for now.
NBC5's Sid Boulay is live at the courthouse in Burlington with more on what this means for her. Sid.
Brian, Liz, Vakos sent a letter to local media outlets this morning saying that she's no longer fighting the civil suspension charge. This means she will not be having a driver's license at this point. Now, this is following her DUI charge. However, she says she was not driving under the influence at the time. Addison County State's Attorney Ava Vakos is continuing to fight the DUI charge she received after police say she was visibly impaired when she showed up to a crime scene in January. Now, Vakos says she'll no longer fight the suspension of her driver's license, saying hindsight has showed her that it's what's best for herself and the community. In the letter, the state's attorney goes on to say that she was not under the influence when she was at the crime scene, and she looks forward to her trial. Vakos says the suspension will not impact her ability to do her job. However, she understands the suspension is because she refused to take a breathalyzer test, and her message to the community is the importance of cooperating with law enforcement. Addison County Sheriff Michael Elmore, who was on the receiving end of a contentious email exchange with Vakos earlier this year, tells NBC5 he thinks it's nice to see Vakos accept some responsibility. Now, as the case heads towards trial this fall, the state and defense butted heads in court Tuesday morning after Vakos' attorney put two state chemists on their witness list.
It's not uncommon for state chemists to talk to both sides in a criminal matter, but because he listed them first, I wanted to make sure that Mr. Slay and I were on the same page, that I could speak to them. He indicated that he considers them his experts.
I thought we had an agreement that we were going to depose these two. Then it wouldn't really make any difference who witnesses with who, because we both get to talk to them at the deposition.
The court has given both sides another month to sort out the witnesses and to file any motions or conditions before they're called to testify. That's expected to be completed by the end of August. Earlier this spring, Vakos also had her law license suspended for about a month. However, she's been back at the job since April. If all continues to go to plan with this court case, we are expecting to see a trial in September. Live in Burlington, Sid Boulay, NBC5 News.